Hello guys, this is Healthy Lifestyle. So I'm going to be showing you people today how I made my smoothie. And if you want to know the recipe I'm having here, you have to watch this video to the end. I call this power protein smoothie. For those of us who want to lose weight, belly fat, the best smoothie ever we can ever have. And every nutrient, every necessary vitamin that you need for your body for the day are all in here. So you want to know the secrets? Join me for the video. Hello. So we are going to be taking spinach smoothie today, and I want it thick, very thick, so that it will be very rich in protein and good for my diet. So this is going to be just a portion, a handful of spinach. That's what I'm going to be having. It's already washed, and I've got 2 bananas here. So that's it. And I've got 2 avocado for that. 2 banana, 2 avocado. So I'm going to just dice it. So we're going to be taking like 2 teaspoons of peanuts. I want it very rich, you see. So this is what I'm going to be doing. Oh, this is my breakfast, so I want it very rich in every nutrient and vitamin that I know I need for my body. You know, banana are rich in vitamin B, which help promote and reduce both mood swings. Also provide vitamin C, in addition to potassium and magnesium. An avocado is rich in antioxidants, help to reduce bad cholesterol, rich in fiber, which help flush toxic matter from our body. So I'm going to be adding water to this now. I'm going to be adding water, but it's optional. You can put what's it called, almond milk if you want, but I just want to use water. If you want very thick and with a very good result with good taste in your mouth, you can add almond milk. But because I don't have almond milk in my house now, so I'm gonna be using water. So we all know that spinach is great. That's a great source of vitamin A, C, and E. It contains high level of calcium, iron, potassium, and protein. And peanut is very rich in protein. So I'm going to be having enough protein for my body, vitamin and nutrient that I need to boost my immune system. Since I'm on diet, I'm watching what I'm eating. So that's what I'm going to be having today. Now I'm going to blend it all together. So this is it. Oh my god, it looks so great. Look how thick it is. See? So this is what I am having for my breakfast. Tastes fantastic. So if you know you're on diet, I'll advise you to take this kind of smoothie every morning, or if not every morning, at least twice in a week, and with other kind of variety of fruits or something. So this is very, very rich and it's thick, so it's going to hold you for a very long time. So I hope you enjoy it and give it a try. All right, thank you. So please subscribe and support my work, Healthy Living Style. Thank you.